All right. We're just going to do a quick overview of this resource I made to help us review for the E&M exam. The official title, as we can see, is Review of All Content, but its unofficial title, and the title I've been calling it, is The Friggin' Packet, or The Friggin' Packet Final Boss. And I call it that because this is a 65-page packet that reviews every possible piece of content that I found important in reviewing AP Physics C E&M. So, linked in the description, we'll have a blank copy of the packet if you so desire to follow along. My students have no choice, they have to do it. But also linked will be the solutions copy, so you can just nicely browse as you work. Or if you don't feel like doing it, you could just look at the solutions. Again, my students have no choice. And I call this the Friggin' Packet Final Boss because it is 65 pages. And how it's organized is it's into three main sections. So, first we have electrostatics, and each section starts out with concepts. So, you can see electrostatics starts by defining things like force, field, potential energy, and potential. Identifying relationships between field and force, potential energy, potential and field, all of that fun stuff. And then once you're done with these sort of concept portions, we move on to the problem portions because again, physics is mostly about practice problems. These, in addition to having the solutions, I will work out the problem portions individually and make sure to upload those as well for those that want to see kind of a live walkthrough of the solutions to each of those parts. So we can see that it's always formatted in like a problems section following the concepts. So it starts with things like charge and Coulomb's law, and then the electrostatic section concludes with various flavors of Gauss's law and electric field integrals. Then we move on to circuits, of course. So I actually put everything with circuits in this one section. So it starts with concepts, of course, like current, resistance, Ohm's law, but including things like capacitors and inductors, kind of all in one section, because I like the symmetry there. Then, of course, we have circuit problems. So finding current from a J of R, ranking different circuit quantities, writing loop and junction equations, REQ, capacitors, inductors, differential equations, everything. And then lastly, we have my magnetism section, which includes induction, where we got concepts, so describing the different types of magnetic materials, right hand rule, properties of magnetic fields, and then we have the problem section. So applying right hand rule, velocity selectors, spectrometers, Ampere's law, and then it finishes with just some Faraday's law and induction related items. So this should give you everything you need uh, to succeed content wise. And of course, I'll do another like actual exam review and derivation review to help us maximize our points. But if you're just looking to learn E&M and just get all the concepts down and learn typical problems, this would be a good start for you.